In last video, we talked about how to securely access the dark web using Whonix OS and the TOR browser. And in this video, after setting up Whonix OS, we're going to install the TOR browser by following these steps. First of all, in Whonix OS, TOR Browser is pre-installed or default browser, so we don't need to install it manually. So without any delay, let's get started with TOR Browser. Unlocking a realm unseen, the TOR Browser unveils the depths of the web, where anonymity reigns and the shadows whisper their secrets. In a simple way, the TOR Browser allows you to access a hidden part of the internet where people can stay anonymous and share information secretly. It's like opening a door to a hidden world where mysterious things are revealed. You can't simply navigate the depths of the dark web as easily as the familiar surface web. For this, you have to know these TOR search engines. Here are some commonly used TOR search engines on the dark web: Torch, Ophmia, Excavator, Candle, Not Evil, Haystack, Phobos, and Deep Web Search. But Ophmia and Excavator are my favorite search engine. Here in this video, I'm going to use Excavator. But before this, let's do some changes in the TOR browser. Open Settings. Go to Search and remove every search engines which have a tracking system. And after this, go to Privacy and Security. Set History to Never Remember. Block all the permission and change its security level to Safest. And that's it. You are done with TOR browser setup. Remember, never browse TOR in full screen, because full screen browsing limits your ability to monitor and control the browser environment effectively. You may not easily notice unexpected pop-ups, download prompts, or other alerts that could indicate potential threats. Being able to see the browser interface helps you maintain awareness of your online activities and take appropriate action if needed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.